Imagine quickly and reliably replacing damaged surface mount pads, BGA pads, lands, and conductors without the mess of liquid epoxy. CircuitMatic circuit frames have a unique dry film adhesive backing that provides an easy, fast, and highly reliable process to replace damaged pads. Here is the IPC-compliant step-by-step process. First, remove the defective pad, land, or conductor. If there is a connecting circuit on the circuit board surface, apply liquid flux and tin it with solder. Then, select a replacement pad, land, or conductor from a circuit frame. Hundreds of varying sizes, shapes, and plating finishes are available. Next, carefully scrape off the adhesive bonding film from the solder joint area on the back of the new pad, land, or conductor. Then, trim out the new pad from the circuit frame. Cut from the plated side of the circuit frame. Next, place the new pad in position on the circuit board surface using high-temperature tape. Finally, you may now permanently bond the new pad using a bonding iron or bonding system. The adhesive backing is cured in 30 seconds at 260 degrees Celsius. If the new pad has a connecting circuit, the final step is to lap solder the joint connection. If necessary, the solder joint can be overcoated with high-strength epoxy. While there are hundreds of shapes to choose from, CircuitMatic can also design a customized circuit frame containing shapes for your specific application. For nearly 40 years, circuit frames have been used by thousands of commercial, medical, and military manufacturers around the globe.